Voltage, also known as electric potential difference, electric pressure, or electric tension, is a measure of the electric potential energy per unit charge between 2 points in an electric field. It is a fundamental concept in the field of electricity and electronics, representing the driving force that pushes electric charges through a conductor. The standard unit of voltage is the volt V, named after the Italian physicist Alessandro Volta. Voltage V. Voltage, often represented by the symbol V and measured in volts V, is a fundamental concept in the field of electricity and electronics. It refers to the electric potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. Here is a detailed description. Definition and basic concept. Electric potential difference. Voltage is the difference in electric potential energy per unit charge between 2 points in an electric field. It indicates how much potential energy a unit charge will have at different locations. Driving force. It acts as the driving force that pushes electric charges through a conducting path, such as a wire. Higher voltage means a greater potential to drive the flow of electric current. Measurement volts V. The unit of voltage is the volt, named after the Italian physicist Alessandro Volta. 1 volt is defined as the potential difference that will move 1 coulomb of charge with 1 joule of energy. Instruments. Voltage can be measured using instruments like voltmeters or multimeters. These devices can measure the voltage across 2 points in a circuit. Types of voltage. Types of voltage: direct voltage DC, indirect current DC. Circuits. The voltage is constant and does not change polarity. It flows in one direction. Examples include batteries and DC power supplies. Alternating voltage AC. In alternating current AC circuits, the voltage varies sinusoidally with time, changing polarity periodically. Household electricity is typically AC with a standard frequency, e.g., 50 or 60 Hz. Generation of voltage can be generated in several ways. Chemical reaction. In batteries, chemical reactions create a difference in potential between the battery terminals. Electromagnetic induction. In generators, voltage is generated by rotating a coil within a magnetic field. Photoelectric effect. Solar cells generate voltage by converting light energy into electrical energy. Thermoelectric effect. Thermocouples generate voltage based on temperature differences between two different types of conductors. Understanding voltage can be thought of as the electric pressure that causes electric charges to flow in a circuit, similar to how water pressure causes water to flow through pipes. It is measured as the difference in electric potential energy between 2 points. This difference in potential energy is what causes current, the flow of electric charges, to move through a circuit. Role of voltage in circuits. In an electrical circuit, voltage is the driving force that pushes current through the circuit components. Ohm's law, a fundamental principle in electronics, states that the current I, flowing through a conductor between 2 points, is directly proportional to the voltage V across the 2 points and inversely proportional to the resistance R of the conductor. DC circuits. Voltage in DC circuits is straightforward as it remains constant. The analysis involves calculating voltage drops across resistive components using Ohm's law. AC circuits. Voltage in AC circuits is more complex due to its varying nature. Analysis involves concepts like root mean square RMS, voltage, phase angles, and impedance. Applications of voltage is central to the operation of almost all electrical and electronic devices. Power supply provides the necessary voltage to operate electronic devices. Signal transmission voltage levels represent data in digital and analog signals. Electric motors voltage differences drive the operation of motors in various appliances and industrial equipment. Lighting voltage is used to power lighting systems, from simple household bulbs to complex street lighting networks. Safety considerations: high voltages can be dangerous and potentially lethal. Proper insulation, grounding, and safety devices like circuit breakers, fuses are essential to protect against electric shocks and short circuits. Electrical safety standards and regulations ensure the safe design and operation of electrical systems. Summary: voltage is a fundamental concept in the field of electricity and electronics, representing the potential energy difference that drives electric charge flow. It can be generated through various means and is essential for the operation of electrical circuits and devices. Understanding voltage and its role in circuits is crucial for anyone working with electrical systems.